When you purchase the Bayode Ultrasonic Pest Repeller, this is what you'll receive. As you can see, it comes in nice and professional packaging to keep it safe during transit. And I actually purchased this product because I had issues in my garage with spiders, cockroaches, and ants as well. With this product, you don't have to buy anything extra. You get everything you need inside of the box. As you can see, the design is nice and it is sturdy in the hands. You can put this pretty much anywhere and it will not get damaged. And the reason why I picked this one up in particular is it is 5-in-1. It has several different features that will help you get rid of pests in your home or even at your workplace. It has variable or fixed mode. It has a built-in ion generator, and it has a high pressure ultrasonic speaker that is not harmful to pets or humans, but it will repel rats and mice, ants, spiders, and cockroaches. It also has a nice LED night light installed onto it as well. It definitely helps when it is in my garage. I have it right next to my door, so when I come home at night, I know exactly where my door is. I've had this product in my house for 2 weeks now, and I have seen a significant decrease in ants, spiders, and in cockroaches as well. This is a cost-effective way to get rid of pests without paying a high pest control bill. I definitely recommend this to anyone with those issues.